everybody. Well, I'm back again. That last video that we did with the wine and garlic sausage that I made, now I've dried some up. Remember I told you that you can dry it up? Well, here it is, nicely dried. 2 weeks have passed. I don't want to overdo it, it gets too hard. You could leave it more if you're going to be eating it hard, that's fine, but I'm going to be still cooking it. I'm going to give you a recipe today that all my friends go nuts for, and this is how they do it back in Sicily. We make it with the black olives, which are the Moroccan black olives, kind of dried olives, which is so good. You've got my sausage, remember the sausage that you did. You got garlic, maybe about 3 or 4 cloves, 5 cloves of garlic, onion, and 1 pepper. Okay, so we're going to start by just slicing up our pepper. Remember the knife I told you about? Look at that. That's the awesome Japanese knife. So we're going to just cut these up thinly like that. That's good enough for that. Grab our sausage. And now you're going to cut the pieces like this. Look at how beautiful that is. The smell, I can smell it from here already as I'm cutting it. Look at that. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Absolutely beautiful. And the smell is amazing. So I'm going to cut 2 of them. And you see how when I'm cutting it, it's still soft on the inside. You could still, now you could eat it like that too. There's nothing wrong with that. That's what I'm going to do. Beautiful. And you'll notice that all your flavoring, especially your garlic and your fennel in there, comes out stronger now. Okay, so we've got our sausage cut up. Now you take your garlic, chop up your garlic. And then your onion, okay? So your onion, you don't want too many, but that's half an onion, take that much. Okay, so now we're ready to go. What you're gonna do first, the first thing you're gonna put in is your olives, because it takes a. This is the olives here. So that's Moroccan dried black olives. This is a big bag, and they are so good. So we started with the olives first. And just give them a little simmer first. You get all that nice flavoring from the olive into the oil. And then we're going to grab our onions, throw your onions in there. Throw our peppers in. Or you can put hot pepper if you like. These are just the mild. Okay, so we're going to let this all simmer up a little bit, and we'll be right back before we put the sausage in. The pepper, black pepper, a couple pinches of that, a little bit of salt. This is all before you put your sausage in, okay? Mix it up once again. Everything's softened out. Okay? Now, the sausage. So your sausage, like I said, it's semi-dried, so you're going to get a nice texture on it once you fry. You don't want to over fry it, it'll turn too hard, but you're going to fry it on medium heat and stir it steady. Look at that. Is that pretty or what? You see how it's already browning up? And now what happens is the sausage takes the flavor of the olives, the black olives, and the peppers. We're just going to let that simmer for a few minutes and we'll be right back. Plate. And this makes, you guys, a beautiful, absolutely beautiful appetizer. You could start your meals with this first, or look at that. And that's the dish, everybody. Look how beautiful it is. This, you can serve it as an appetizer, or you can serve it with the rest of the meal on the table. Let me just try it here. I gotta try before, because the smell is just killing me. Let me see. Oh my God, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Let me get a little olive. Wow. Wow. You guys, this is a meal. And I guarantee you, your friends will freak out. Put that on the table, it'll be gone in 5 minutes. All right. I want to thank you guys for coming on, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure, please, to like, subscribe, so we can get this channel, keep it up and keep it going. Love you all, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.